Namaskaram and welcome to all our dear customers. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent house for exclusive handwoven sarees. Started in the year 2012, now we have 17 stores all across South India. Be it the quality, the collection or the prices, we always provide the best to our dear customers. So please make sure you're visiting your nearest famous store to have a look at the beautiful collection of sarees. Today's episode is going to be about very elegant, very lightweight and pretty zari kota sarees. But before that, let me show you the Kanchipattu saree that I'm wearing right now. This one is a gorgeous pink with green color Kanchipattu saree, and on the body we have small floral buttees and we have circular floral buttees with paisleys buttees inside them. Very elegant, very pretty work in gold zari. And the border, which is also in pink color, has crossed lines. We have florals, there are dollars and florals in boxes, and we have a repetition of work here again in gold zari. Very beautiful, very elegant work is there. We have a contrasting pallu for this sari, which has florals and leaves, jal, and we also have floral brocade work all over it in gold zari. And this is the contrasting blouse for your pink sari. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Now let's get started with the first beautiful sari from the Zari Kota collection. Moving on to it. This beautiful cream with orange color Zari Kota sari has two types of floral buttees on the body. So we have bigger floral buttees in silver zari and threadwork detailing, and smaller circular floral buttees with pink color threadwork detailing, adding a lovely pop of color to the cream color body. The border, which is in orange color, is very plain and simple, and we have a silver zari kadi. There's a pink color edge to your orange border. The pallu of the sari has silver zari kadi, and we have small circular floral buttees in thread work. And here's a beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, we provide global courier service. Here we have a beautiful Zari Kota sari in lavender and yellow color. Let me show you the body, where we have floral buttees in silver zari and thread work in yellow and pink. Detailing is added to it, making them even more bright and prominent. The border, which is in yellow color, has small silver zari kadi, and there's a lavender color edge to your yellow border. Our beautiful self pallu has floral buttees on it in pink, yellow and blue color thread work with silver zari. And here's the contrasting blouse, which has diamond buttees all over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, the weavers' prices are valid for a limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. Here's a classic combination of red with green, and let me show you the body of this one. We have huge floral buttees in thread work in green color, and inside them we have these swans in silver zari. Very elegant, very beautiful work is there, very pretty design. And here's the contrasting border in green color, which has small silver zari kadi and diamond buttees over it in silver zari. Let's have a look at the pallu, which has silver zari kadi all over it, and then we have diamond buttees in green, orange and red color thread work, adding a beautiful pop of color. And here's the contrasting blouse for the sari in green color, which has zari lines all over it. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. Here's a lovely Zari Kota sari in off-white and yellow color. Very elegant sari. Let me show you the details. On the body, we have floral buttees in silver zari with added threadwork detailing in yellow and pink color. Very lovely design. The border of this one has gap style border. We have silver zari kadi on both the sides, and there's yellow color border with pink color edge. The lovely self pallu has floral buttees in cross checks and yellow thread work. We have small zari boxes in silver zari, and then we have floral brocade work in silver zari inside cross zari checks. This is a beautiful contrasting blouse in yellow color, which has floral buttees on it in thread work. And to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, you can also shop for our sarees by clicking on the links mentioned in the description box. These links will take you to a website that is kanchivml.com, and there you can add this saree and many such beautiful sarees to your cart and place the order right away. This one is a beautiful magenta with turquoise blue color Zari Kota sari. Let me show you the body. Here we have huge circular polkas, and inside that we have threadwork detailing. We have beautiful lotuses, and we also have cows. Very cute, very lovely design, isn't it, ladies? And let's have a look at the border, which is in turquoise blue color, and here we have zari lines in gap style border. This is in silver zari. Here's the beautiful self pallu for the sari, which has cross lines in silver zari. We have munia buttis, and here we have lovely work. So you can see a cow, you can see the lotuses. Very cute, very beautiful design. Totally loving this sari, don't you, ladies? This is the contrasting blouse, which has paisley buttis all over it. And to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear lovely customers, you can also shop through online video calling. All you have to do is take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will give you a video call at your time of convenience. Then we will show you all the beautiful sarees, various collections and various price ranges too. You can directly place your orders there right away. Here's a very pretty peach with pink color zari kota sari. Very lovely color combination. Let me show you the body. On the body of this one, we have floral buttis in silver zari with threadwork detailing in green and peach color. Such lovely design on this sari. The border has silver zari kadi. Very small kadi is there, and then we have pink color border here. Here's the pallu, which has colorful polkas. So we have pink color polkas and we have silver zari polkas. Beautiful lovely work is there on the pallu. Here's the contrasting blouse in pink color for this beautiful peach sari, which has floral buttis on it. And to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, we provide global courier service. Cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. The weavers' prices are valid for a limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. You should also like, follow and subscribe to us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, because every day we have amazing new collections and beautiful exclusive sarees with amazing offers for you. Please follow us and stay updated about our lives and lovely collections too. Dear ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, which was about beautiful zari kota sarees. Very affordable, very colorful and lightweight sarees. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, keep shopping only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Namaskaram.